See, isn't it beautiful with all the moss and water just running together? Welcome back to Fernridge Adventures, everybody. Today I am going to more of a secret waterfall. Not very many people know about it. I found out from a friend who was one of the few people who knew about it until Google published it. But anyway, it is called Downing Creek Falls, and it's a very amazing waterfall. To get there, you have to take 22 from Salem, headed east, all the way through Detroit and kind of into the Marion Forks area, which is north of Detroit. And then you're gonna get on a little side road here, very difficult to spot. But what's crazy is what is back here. That is pretty amazing. So, getting out and hitting the trail. It's a very easy hike. I don't even think it's half a mile. Just down through the woods here. A little slippery sometimes, but that's because we had rain this last week, so it made the rocks and stuff a little bit slippery.
Starting to get loud. We must be really close.
But other than that, absolutely awesome. And here is the lower falls. See, isn't it beautiful with all the moss and water just running together? I'm torn in half. I want people to go here because of how beautiful it is. But man, like as my friend was saying, there's plenty of people going here now, and they're starting to walk on all the moss, and the moss is very delicate. So if you ever go here, don't walk on the moss. That'll help make the scenery last a lot longer. I'm not walking on any of the trees or anything. I just have my GoPro and drone, and most of this footage is from the drone. Anyway, time to head back up the trail and go find the actual falls. Now I found this mushroom here. I thought it was pretty interesting. So I went back and grabbed the camera, and here it is. I don't know my mushrooms very well, but some of you guys probably do. And you can start to see a little bit of it here. And then this is as close as I was wanting to get with the drone. There's a lot of pressure in the waterfall, so I didn't want to bring my drone in too close and, get it knocked out of the sky. And then drown it, and I'll probably never find it again. not a very exciting thing to think about, honestly.
Okay, so we're done with that. I'm walking back to the truck. The sun's starting to peek out back there. It was overcast, but anyway, I will talk more about how to get here, because now that the sun's breaking, I feel like it would be a lot more interesting, so to speak, footage with the sun shining on certain things. So yeah. So with that being said, we're gonna get into the truck here and start heading back to our place.
Okay, so Downing Creek is located off 22, as I said before. So if you're coming from Salem, Oregon, which is the capital, you're gonna head east on 22 for about 2 hours. And then you're gonna get to Detroit Lake, which there will be a video coming soon about that. And then you're gonna get on this little side road. Google Maps doesn't show what the name of the side road is, so I had to put coordinates on my GPS unit to get to it. So if you're gonna go there, find the coordinates to that road, type in Downing Creek. Will show up on the map as it crosses under Highway 22. And if you take the road to the left of Downing Creek, that will be the road to go on. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.